Namaste everyone. Welcome to another episode on children with learning difficulties from Ganges Valley School. A learning disability is a neurological disorder which results from a deviation or breakdown in one or more of the basic psychological processes involved in understanding or in using language, spoken or written, that may manifest itself in an imperfect ability to listen, think, speak, read, write, spell, or do mathematical calculations. So, how do we identify a child with learning difficulties? What are the red flags? Children with learning difficulties, especially dyslexia, have a reading difficulty. They hesitate to read aloud, tend to skip words, substitute words, and repeat them. They may have hearing or visual impairment, which may hamper their ability to learn and process information. So the child may time out when the teacher is teaching. With regard to visual perceptual deficits, they could have an issue with the sub-skills of figure ground perception, spatial relation, visual discrimination, and visual motor integration. For example, children with learning difficulties may struggle with tasks such as labeling diagrams, locating places on a map, directionality, eye-hand coordination, and form perception. A child with specific learning difficulty may have a difficulty with auditory discrimination of phonic sounds, auditory blending of sounds, and memory skills. Another indicator could be difficulty with motor coordination, which includes skills such as gross motor, fine motor, balance, laterality, directionality, and body image. An interesting research finding reported by Gallagher and Colson is that there is an improvement in the listening and comprehension ability of learning disabled children when they are standing rather than sitting. Prerequisite skills such as tracing, coloring, bead stringing, lacing, needlework, etc. do have an impact on drawing and writing skills, and hence these skills could be worked upon to improve their fine motor skills. Haptic perception is a process by which information is acquired through the tactile and kinesthetic systems. Some children with learning difficulties may not be able to derive meaning from the sense of touch. For example, the quality of roundness in a circle and concepts related to hard, soft, rough, smooth, or hot, warm may not be acquired easily. They may also have problems of kinesthesia, which includes bodily movements, coordination, body image, direction, and spatial orientation. A child may be unable to write because he doesn't know how to move his hand and cannot produce the up-down strokes required for writing. There could be reversals of letters, omissions, and frequent spelling errors. Children with learning difficulties could also show social emotional issues such as low self-esteem, low self-confidence, frustration, anxiety, hesitation to socialize, inability to read social cues, and misinterpretation of emotions of other people. Thus, these are some of the indicators which could be observed. Thank you.